Today, we're bringing you a delicious lunch meal prep that will help you lose weight and stay healthy. So grab your apron, it's time to cook up some goodness. First, let's start with a protein-packed main dish. Take some boneless, skinless chicken breasts and season them with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and your favorite herbs. Next, cook the chicken in a non-stick pan until it's golden brown and fully cooked. This lean protein will keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Now, let's move on to our colorful salad. Start by layering a bed of fresh spinach leaves in a bowl. Top it off with some sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and thinly sliced red onions. For an extra kick, add some crumbled feta cheese and a handful of roasted almonds. Drizzle a light vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, and a touch of honey. Finally, let's not forget about our healthy carbohydrates. Prepare some quinoa, a nutrient-packed grain that will give you sustained energy. To add flavor, toss the cooked quinoa with some chopped fresh herbs like parsley and basil. Now that our meal prep is complete, divide the chicken, salad, and quinoa into separate containers for easy grab-and-go lunches throughout the week. Remember, you don't have to sacrifice taste for weight loss. With this delicious lunch meal prep, you can enjoy a satisfying meal while still reaching your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips.